Hi. Welcome to Inspire UI. In this video, we will introduce the improvement, Products Horizontal, on new version 1.3.0. To go to Products Horizontal, please select Home on the left menu. Select Add New Layout, select Products Horizontal. We have added more options and features to show products horizontal flexibly. Please note that the configuration here only applies to products horizontal. To configure the display of the product card on other screens, please refer to Features, Product Card Customize. In the new Products Horizontal, you can set to display heart icon. Especially cart quantity, cart button, etc. on the product cards. You can also modify the row and the size of the product card. If the row is 1, you can add the background image. Now I will upload an image. I have uploaded completely an image on my local. Now you can configure the display of this background image. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.